Hey guys, it's coronavirus day 526 wave 3, phase 3 still with day 35, 36 with an alarming 650 cases. Yeah, another large jump. Again, with the majority of unvaccinated. So Toronto's in the lead with 136 cases, 113 from Vancouver region, 63 from York region, 58 from Windsor-Essex region, and 55 from Hamilton. All other regions are reported under the 50. 2 deaths that were reported today. And no variant reports due to technical difficulties, apparently. So only it's been officially 5 weeks now. So first note, the coverage is at 82% now, and fully vaccinated is 74.4. So we just need 0.6% more the citizens percent of vaccinated. Until we can actually be approved for phase 4, but the India variant, Lambda variant, and coronavirus high cases might be delaying us. So, yeah, vaccination information, phase 3 and phase 4 information down below. So today's topic is has to do with 3 children's hospitals making mandatory coronavirus vaccinations for staff, and I think I might assume why. Don't infect the children or the ones under 18. So SickKids and Holland Bloorview Kids Rehabilitation Hospital, which is in Toronto, and CHEO, aka Children's Hospital of Eastern Ontario. I've been there in Ottawa. So all 3 hospitals will go beyond the province. The director wrote to require anyone eligible to be vaccinated due to the majority of the patients, at least 70% who are ineligible to be vaccinated. So currently only those turning 12 by the end of 2021 can. So 11-year-olds turning 12 by the end of the year can only get vaccinated. On or before December 31st. So an exception will be made for people with documented medical or human rights exemptions, according to officials. So earlier the week, provincial government said that those in high-risk settings that like hospitals would require healthcare workers to get vaccinated or undergo regular testing. Could affect patients. So, in addition to the children's hospitals, SickKids Holland rehab, and also CHIO. So, the city of other employees, such as the city of Toronto and TTC, have issued a similar directive that require mandatory coronavirus vaccination. So you got the Toronto, yeah. So Dr. Ronald Cohn, President and CEO of SickKids, said, "We are united in the belief that immunization against COVID-19 is an individual and societal responsibility. With these policies, that we're adding an important and powerful layer of protection to prevent the COVID-19 infections and patients, families, and staff." No. Implementing vaccine mandate policies for our staff was not our first choice, nor was it an easy choice to make. But as a healthcare institutions that decided to dedicated to the health of our children, we feel it's the right thing to do. He said. So officials said that those not in compliance after doing a vaccine education program, not all options will be considered to effectively enforce the policy. So SickKids, that decision that was sort of made in the Ontario Medical Association with the Registered Nurses Association and also American Academy of Pediatrics, and also with Dr. Kieran Moore. And Dr. Kieran Moore, the medical officer of health for Ontario, now in full support of SickKids, CHIO, and Hollywood Boardview, and others, and taking these necessary measures to protect patient, family, and staff's safety. So they're doing what they have to do. Not by force, but by decision. Hospitalizations. 197 people are hospitalized right now. That's a plus 21 from yesterday. And 135 ICU patients. Which is a +8. And 100. 104 ICU patients using a ventilator, which is also +8. So long-term care home deaths have not changed. 3,793, stopped at the 13 still since May. Outbreaks have rose to 4 + 1. So follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations and phase 3 rules until we can finally move on to phase 4. Just be careful due to the India variant and Lambda variant. They haven't updated that one, but it's there. Stay safe. I recommend getting vaccinated if you can. Out.